Okay, so I'm given that there's a point on the unit circle and that the y value for this point P on the unit circle is -2/7. Find x, and it tells you that the point is in quadrant number 4. So all that means is if I have my graph like this, these are called the quadrants around the origin. If it's in quadrant 4, it means that the y is negative and the x is positive. That's all. It's just telling me that x is a positive value. So if I go back to the different trig functions that have to do with the unit circle, I know that the sine of any angle on the unit circle is equal to the y value at t. So the sine of any angle t is equal to the y value at t. So they've given me the y value, so I know that the sine of this random angle that this point P makes on the unit circle is equal to -2/7. So if I want to find what that angle is, I know that, so I'm just going to do the math. I'm going to do -2 divided by 7 is going to give me -0.2857142,857, and yeah, I keep all the points until I'm all done the math. So I know that's the sine of t. So if I take the opposite of that, if I take the sine to the -1, which will solve for t, I get that t is equal to -16.6015495982. So this number, this is the angle that that point P is making on the unit circle. So once I know what the angle is, then I can use the next rule. And the next rule is that the cosine of that angle for point P is going to be equal to the x-coordinate. Okay, so all that I have to do then is find the cosine of t, and t is -16.6015495982 is going to be equal to the x value of P, and if I find the cosine of that number, I get that x is going to be equal to 0.958314847, etc., etc., etc. So my point P at that angle T is going to be 0.9583, oops, sorry, 83, etc. I'm not going to write it all out right now. And the y value is going to be -2/7. So what you have to remember is this, in the assignment, in the video for 4.5, it gives you the list of how to find tan of t, sine of t, cosine of t, and then their reciprocals. And those are the things that you have to do to be able to do this particular assignment.